Welcome to Melbourne, where free spirits thrive and the city dances to the rhythm of life. Imagine soaking up all this goodness while calling 570 Lygon home, a petted student housing like a slice of Paris in Melbourne. Offering a diverse array of studios, private and shared apartments, you'll find everything you desire and more within the walls. No matter what you choose, each room is meticulously designed to offer the utmost comfort, featuring a snug bed, a dedicated study desk, wall-mounted heater, and spacious built-in wardrobes to accommodate all your essentials. Talking out state-of-the-art amenities, you will find everything you need right here. From the exquisite amenities including the well-equipped gym, inviting outdoor areas, a lively games room, and communal spaces designed for joy and camaraderie, to quiet study sessions in the dedicated study room or delightful barbecues with friends. Every moment is crafted to ensure a happy and fulfilling stay. Located just a short stroll from the University of Melbourne and Trinity College, you'll never have to worry about being late for your class. And with an array of amazing restaurants and cafes such as Henry Sugar Restaurant and Rathdown and Reeves Cafe at your fingertips, your student life is bound to be enriched by the vibrant surroundings. All in all, life at 570 Lygon is not just good, it's downright glorious. Book your stay to create memories that will last a lifetime at amberstudent.com today.